Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm bringing you a recipe that's all about comfort and flavor. Braised chicken with mushrooms and leeks. This dish is perfect for cozy dinners and packs rich, savory flavors with tender chicken, earthy mushrooms, and the subtle sweetness of leeks. It's a one-pan wonder that's easy to make but tastes like it took hours in the kitchen. Let's get right into it, and I'll show you how to make this delicious dish step by step. Braised chicken with mushrooms and leeks is a cozy, flavorful dish that feels both hearty and elegant. With tender chicken thighs simmered to perfection in a savory broth, complemented by earthy mushrooms and delicate leeks, this meal brings comfort to your table in under an hour. Ideal for weeknight dinners or a special weekend gathering, it strikes the perfect balance between healthy and indulgent, packed with fresh herbs and vibrant peas. If you're craving a dish that's not only delicious but also nutritious, this recipe is a must-try. Braised chicken with mushrooms and leeks recipe prep time. 45 minutes additional time. 10 minutes total time. 55 minutes servings. 4 yield. 4 servings ingredients 3 tablespoons grapeseed or avocado oil, divided 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken thighs, trimmed 3/4 teaspoon salt, divided 1/2 teaspoon ground pepper, divided 12 ounces mixed mushrooms, coarsely chopped 2 cups sliced leek, 1 medium, rinsed well 2 cloves garlic, minced 2 teaspoons chopped fresh thyme or tarragon, plus more for garnish 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour. 3 cups low-sodium chicken broth 2 cups frozen peas 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard directions heat 1 tablespoon of grapeseed or avocado oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Season the chicken thighs with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper. Add the chicken to the skillet and cook for 4-5 minutes per side, until golden brown. Remove the chicken and set aside. In the same skillet, add another tablespoon of oil. Add the chopped mushrooms and leeks, cooking until softened and the mushrooms have released their moisture, about 5-7 minutes. Stir in the garlic, thyme, and the remaining salt and pepper. Cook for another minute until fragrant. Sprinkle the flour over the mushroom and leek mixture, stirring to coat the vegetables evenly. Gradually add the chicken broth while stirring continuously to avoid lumps. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing it to thicken slightly. Return the chicken thighs to the skillet, nestling them into the sauce. Lower the heat to medium-low, cover the skillet, and let the chicken simmer for about 20 minutes, or until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit and the sauce has thickened. Stir in the frozen peas and Dijon mustard, cooking for an additional 3-5 minutes until the peas are heated through and the flavors are well combined. Taste the sauce and adjust seasoning if needed. Garnish with additional fresh thyme or tarragon. Serve the braised chicken hot with the mushroom leek sauce, paired with a side of rice, mashed potatoes, or crusty bread to soak up the delicious broth. Nutrition facts. Per serving, calories. 380 total fat. 19 grams saturated fat. 3 grams cholesterol. 90 milligrams sodium. 600 milligrams total carbohydrate, 30 grams, dietary fiber, 6 grams, sugars, 6 grams protein, 27 grams vitamin A, 25% of the daily value, DV, vitamin C, 40% DV calcium, 6% DV iron, 15% DV braised chicken with mushrooms and leeks is the ultimate comfort dish that proves hearty meals don't have to be heavy. Packed with lean protein, vibrant veggies, and fragrant herbs, it's a wholesome option that still feels indulgent. The addition of Dijon mustard adds a tangy depth that ties all the flavors together, while the peas bring a touch of sweetness. Whether you're cooking for a family dinner or looking to impress guests, this recipe is bound to become a favorite in your repertoire. Nutritious, flavorful, and irresistibly satisfying. And that's it. Braised chicken with mushrooms and leeks. The chicken is melt in your mouth tender, and the sauce is rich and packed with flavor. It's perfect with a side of crusty bread or served over creamy mashed potatoes. If you give this recipe a try, let me know how it turned out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious recipes. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time in the kitchen.